Alrighty guys, welcome back. So today we're currently out here in my buddy Alex's shop working on my buddy Alex's 07 Nissan Titan here. Alrighty guys, today we have some bed lights to go ahead and install. These are what they look like here. There's 3 different LED strips all coming down to 2 power wire right here. Now there's actually something pretty unique we're gonna do with this setup that I have not seen done yet before. And this is what it is. Alrighty guys, so we got one of these things right here that goes into a power port. This is like for one of them auto charger things, and it comes off to 2 power wire right here. So the plan is to connect these 2 power wire to these. Hang on, where's the other one? To these 2 power wire right here, and also with these LED bed lights here. It also comes with its own switch here. Pretty convenient, and as well comes with some screws, other ways to secure it down, and some more power wires. So that's all super convenient. You need to run this right to your battery, which is how it's intended, but we're doing it a little bit different. We got one of these things that plug into right here. It's just a auto port charger thing. I don't know. It's I forget what it's like a cigarette lighter port, you know, something like that. And we do have some connectors right here to connect our power wire. And what we're just gonna do is we're gonna connect this to it. And since this has its own switch to it, we're just gonna have to turn this on, and it'll be pulling power to our LED bed lights. And then if you really want them on or off, you can go ahead and hit your switch, turn them on and off. Really just that simple. We're gonna go ahead and get these all mounted with a handy dandy adhesive strip off the back. We're gonna get all 3 on here, and we're gonna connect the wires and plug them in, see how they look. And I'll catch you guys with that. Alright guys, just went ahead and got it all connected here. Just 2 connectors, just stripped the wires and got them in there. Got them all crimped down with the wire strippers and wire crimpers here. And now we can go ahead and grab our thing here, because we went ahead and plugged it in, turned it on that switch, and there we are. Now they're on. So it's really just that easy. This is why I wanted to make a video on it in particular, is just because it's really unique what we're doing. Like, I've never really seen anyone else do it this way. I just know people that take their power wire and run it straight to the battery, and then run their switch inside the cab, which we're going to run the switch inside the cab, and so you can turn them on and off. But yeah, these will definitely light up the bed. We're gonna go 1 strip here, 1 strip here, and we're gonna find a place to put it over there. Looks pretty good. So we're gonna do all that, and it should look good in the end. I'll catch you guys once we're done with it, but I just thought I'd show you guys real fast how we did this. And I think this is the way a lot of people should do it, because, you know, you can just click that off and then click it on before you get in, and, you know, be able to have this switch inside your cab, turn them on and off. So I feel like that's a pretty cool and unique way of doing it. And yeah, so that's it. Catch you guys once we have them all on, and show you guys the aftermath once we're outside, because it's like pretty dark out right now. So I'll catch you guys at that. Alrighty guys, so all 3 strips are laid. Only having just a little bit of an issue right here, because we decided to stick it on the window, because honestly if we stuck it right here, it would just light up against the toolbox here. So we decided to go right here, but we're having a little bit of a sticking issue right here. Not too sure why. But yeah, we're having an issue right there. But anyways, either way, it lights up the bed. We're about to get that fixed right now. I'm gonna grab the switch here, which we're gonna run to the cab in just a minute, and we're switching on. Look at that. Pretty bright, pretty convenient, pretty nice. All run to right there. Go ahead and turn those on, right? And watch, it'll kill the power to it. Well, it's holding that button down. There you go, right there. On, off. So now, pretty much, you can just leave those on all the time, and hit this button, turn it off and on. And then if you want them on all the time, just go ahead and do that. Make sure, put that back on it, and it'll hold that button on. But since we're running the switch in the cab, we won't have to worry about using that way to turn on and off. We'll just use the switch here, and we're going to put it inside of this cab. So I'd say they look pretty cool in my opinion. That's them right there. And I think we're just gonna go ahead and finish up the video right here, guys. I mean, it's a pretty simple, quick and easy little process. Made it way easier that we didn't have to run one more thing to the battery. We just could use this, which I'm a big fan of. So yep, I'd say they look pretty good. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys do think of them. And leave a like on today's video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you're new and you haven't already. And with that one, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Those things are pretty bright, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see. Look at that. Just get one last clip of them in the dark here. There you go. Right there. He's got the LED light bars we put on. It looks pretty good right there, I'd say, if you ask me. Get one good angle like that. There you go. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Now with that, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.